Hey guys, just want to give you a quick review on these metal zip ties here. These things are extremely good for doing anything that requires real strength, real durability. I think they're good for up to almost, I think it was 200 pounds. Yeah, 198 pounds for each one. And the temperature max is like 500 degrees Celsius. So these are really, let me double check. Yeah, 500 degrees Celsius. So these are really good for doing automotive work if you need things like tying up exhaust. Like my father-in-law works on his cars all the time, so he uses these for his exhaust type stuff when he's just kind of patching stuff together to hold stuff up. They're super strong. I've used them for repairing my fence. I've also used them in my basement because I have a boiler system. So I've like hung stuff from my boiler pipes. They get like super hot. So, you get a big enough loop to for this to sit on the pipe itself and to not have to worry about it burning or melting. It's super simple, right? You just slide them in place and they're really strong. You pull them, I can't pull them apart. So if you need to cut them, I recommend like you need a pair of tin snips or something to cut off your edges. Be really careful. You should wear gloves when using them, installing them or anything, because you can cut your hands. So, just be really careful with that. But again, if you're looking for a zip tie for any like high heat type situation or like where you need really good strength or using them outside on your fence, these are definitely really good options. And also I noticed that this company is a US company, so I think that's really cool too to support US companies.